In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Coinbase Wallet to OpenSea. Open your browser and go to OpenSea.io. Make sure you're on the official site by checking the URL and the padlock in the address bar. This helps you avoid phishing pages. Once the homepage loads, move your cursor to the top right and hover over the profile icon. A small menu will appear. Click Link Wallet, and on the next prompt, choose Link a Wallet to begin the connection process. From the list of wallet providers, select Coinbase Wallet. If you don't already have the Coinbase Wallet extension, you'll be guided to install it. This takes you to the Chrome Web Store page for Coinbase Wallet. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up. It's free and the extension will be added to your browser in a few seconds. If you use a different Chromium-based browser, the flow is nearly identical in its extension store. Next, open the extensions menu at the top of your browser, the puzzle-shaped icon. Find Coinbase Wallet in the list. You can pin it for quick access if you like. Click Coinbase to open the wallet window. If you already have a wallet, go ahead and sign in. If you're new, choose to create an account and follow the on-screen steps. When setting up, you'll receive a recovery phrase. Write it down and store it offline in a safe place and never share it with anyone. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access. Also, choose a strong password for the local extension to help protect your device. After you've logged in or completed setup, return to your OpenSea tab. OpenSea will detect the Coinbase Wallet extension and complete the link automatically. You should see your wallet status reflected when you open the profile menu, usually shown by a shortened wallet address. If it doesn't show immediately, give the page a quick refresh and make sure the wallet extension is unlocked. That's the full process. Go to OpenSea, hover over the profile icon, link your wallet, select Coinbase Wallet, add the extension, open it from the extensions menu, and sign in or create your wallet. With your Coinbase Wallet connected, you're ready to explore collections, manage your profile, and interact with NFTs securely. Remember to keep your recovery phrase private, double-check URLs before signing in, and lock your wallet extension when you're not using it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your OpenSea experience.